Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can solve your problem. Problem is that when you're just trying to purchasing something in your iPhone stores and maybe something like that App Store and saying that account is not in the store and you're still facing that problem in the iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow some steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just go to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone or your iPad. After that, simply just scroll down and just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just reset the network settings from here. Simply just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings. After that, simply just go back and just go to the language and region section. Just tap on that and just select the region where you just currently live now. So I'm currently in the Pakistan, so I'm just tap on a region and just select region of Pakistan. So after that, simply just go back again back and just go to the content and privacy section. Simply just go to the screen time and just go to the privacy restrictions. Just tap on that and make sure that it's allow all the features and of iTunes App Store purchases, allow app features, everything you just have to just allow it from here just like that. After that, we just go back and just go to the App Store and just sign out your account from here. Because main problem is that when you're just trying to purchasing and it's saying that your account is not in that store. So how you can resolve that? Simply just sign out your account from your App Store and again sign in your Apple ID in the App Store. After that, simply just go back. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just go to the settings section and just sign out your ID from the iPhone and just again sign in. Before going to sign in, you just have to just turn off your iPhone and just again on it and just sign in your account and your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.